Add Creative AI tutorial. So hello there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you about Add Creative to make ads very easily. So first of all, you have to head over to your adcreative.ai. Then here we can see this try free for now option, or also you can start free with your Google account. If you wish to, you can sign up with Google, Microsoft, or even entering your full name, email address and password. To make this video shorter, I'm gonna go with my Gmail account. So just choose your Gmail account, then you just have to tap on to continue. So after tapping on to continue, you can check this icon, then tap on to continue again, and lastly after tapping on to continue, will be redirected to here this side. Now you have to enter your card hold number, your card number, and then you can start your free day trials. But for this video we are not gonna buy any purchase them, so tap on to try free for now. Then you can enter your full name, email address, password, and same as before, you can just go and choose your Gmail account and enter your Gmail account, and then um, you can get started. So that's it. This is how you can log in and using Ad Creative. Here you can see some previously made ads using Ad Creative. So let me show you this one. Here are some ads. Here you can see these ads. Here you can check out these things. Here you can see these ads. These all were created by Ad Creative. You just have to upload your products page number, products image, and then it will create your ad. So that's it. And if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And here are the pricings of it. You can compare them if you wish to. They offer 4 types of services.